Hey makers, today I'm going to show you how to create this snowflake shaker cake topper. Here are all the cuts that come with your digital kit. You have the big snowflake, the 3D, the medium snowflake 3D, the banner, the main snowflake that everything sits on, the cellophane cut, the foam sheet, decorative sheet, an outline that's decoration, and these three little snowflakes that can be used part of your sequence. Now let's talk about materials that I used. Some of the materials that I use are very unconventional, but they help you save money. So if you buy the ones I am suggesting, you can make many of cake toppers and use it for other projects as well. So sign in to Mockys Makers Club Facebook group to see the full video where I explain the use of the materials and show you exactly what I use and where you can find the same ones. After you have completed all your cuts, what I like to do is lay out all my material in front of me, all the cutouts in front of me. So what I do is put the snowflakes in the order that I'm gonna glue it. So we have the thicker outline at the bottom, the much thinner, and then the fine one at the top. Same thing with the banners. We have the bottom banner, then the top, and so this is easier for you to just pick it up and glue it, pick it up and glue it. Now let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna get started with putting together the snowflakes. Because we want to add dimension, we're gonna use the foam dots or foam squares. Simply take it off and place it in the middle. Pick up your next layer and align it. And you keep going with that. You have to be careful that it really aligns. There we go, much better. And then for the very top one, I'm gonna use a smaller square. And I'm actually gonna go ahead and put it on here since it's a smaller piece. I'm gonna add it to this part first and then put it on top. There we go. 3D snowflake. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one and then come back for the rest. Now I have both of the snowflakes done, 3D snowflakes. I'm gonna put them on the side and do the shaker part. I'm gonna put together the foam, the acetate, and our holographic decoration. So to put this together, I like to use clear glue, like I mentioned in the materials portion. Simply just put the glue on and glue the acetate on. The liquid glue works great because you can smooth it out, move it around before it dries. set it aside for a little bit, let it dry, and then you will put your holographic on top just as decoration. Now let's glue the other portion. You can smooth it out. The great thing about this glue, it dries clear. So if any imperfections that you have, you can always dry them out. Again, let it dry, sit on the side, and you can work putting together the banner. With the banner, when I took it off from my mat, I drew with a little pencil mark on it to show me which way it goes and what is the side that I don't need. So I did that for both pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and glue it on top like this. Now I'm going to glue on this inner decorative piece, and it really doesn't matter which way you put it on the design. It all is the same. So now I'm going to go ahead and use my metal tip on the fine point. Makes it really much easier to get in between all these little lines. Put it on and smooth it out. Now while this is drying, let's put together the fun part, the shaker. So pick your favorite colors of sequins. I have right here silver, and I have some beads that I'm going to use, and also the little snowflakes that we cut out for the middle. You don't need too much. Just kind of eyeball it. Put it in the middle. I'm using this cap from the glue, kind of to measure it out. Try to keep it in the middle because it's going to be easier to glue it together. They're all in the center. Also be sure to add your snowflakes in the middle. Maybe we can put a little bit more sequins. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna glue this part on top with our hot glue gun. Now I have the glue gun ready. Wanna show you that I'm doing the glue gun on the opposite, so on the foam side. It seems easier that way, at least for me. Now we're gonna go ahead and center it over the snowflake. It's very important that you get all the edges sealed off. This way none of the little sequins or beads or whatever you put inside can escape. Otherwise, you're gonna have a big mess. So take your time, make sure that it sealed and dry. So I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit before I start shaking it. Now there we are. It has dried off. The shaker is ready. Now we just have to add the finishing touches, putting the snowflakes on, and that's it. There we are. Here's the finished shaker. Of course, you can add your name or anybody else's name. I have name Elizabeth that I can put right here. But look how pretty that is. Oop, I'll put it on for now. Be sure to add the cake topper on the back. So you can use your hot glue gun and just attach it to the back. I'm not gonna do it right now, but this is how it rolls. In the back it's plain. You're welcome to add your sticker or just with the glue gun, and that's it. With your digital download, there's gonna be a Cricut tutorial, so don't worry, all the instructions are gonna be included. And be sure to sign up for the giveaway. There's going to be a giveaway of the digital files that I showed you how to put together today. The giveaway is this Friday, August the 14th. And if you're watching this in the future, you can download this, purchase this file on my Etsy shop at Mockys. Thank you so much. Enjoy.